We begin with recipes, which link actions commonly used together. When I want to go for a run, I can say, "Start my run."
For Spotify, what would you like to listen to?
Workout music. The unique thing about recipes in the Aikido platform is that they are flexible and personalized for each user. Your playlists, and your favorite music app, the fitness tracker you use. Compound Commands takes the concept one big step further, allowing you to invoke multiple actions with a single command, on the fly, as you think of things you need to get done. You're meeting a friend to see the Sharks game tonight, but you may be late. So jump in the car and tell Q, navigate to SAP Center and call John.
For phone, please provide a contact name or phone number.
Foster. Get it done all at once, hands-free and eyes-free, so you can get going.